Welcome, good morning, everyone. God bless. Let's open our Bible in the book of Genesis, chapter 26, verse 4 to 5, where God told us to listen to His words and obey His commandments. Tagalog version at aking pararamihin ang iyong binhi ng gayang mga bituin sa langit at ibibigay ko sa iyong binhi ng lahat ng lupain na ito at pagpapalain sa iyong binhi ang lahat ng mga bansa sa lupa sapagkat sinunod ni Abraham ang aking tinig at ginaganap ang aking bilin, ang aking mga utos, ang aking mga palatuntunan at mga aking mga kautusan. I will make you thy seed multiply as the stars of heaven, and I give you thy seed countries, and in thy seed shall all the nations of the earth will be blessed. Because that Abraham obeyed my voice and kept my charge, my commandments, my statutes, and my laws. God bless. And book of First Chronicles 16 verse 15, Tagalog version. Alalahanin niyo ang kanyang tipan, magpakailanman ang salita na kanyang inuutos sa libu-libong salit-saling lahi. Be ye mindful always of his covenant and the word which he commanded to 1,000 generations. God bless. Amen.